Mm-hmm.
Oh. All right, let's make sure I got it right.
Yep, random number between 1 and 100. And then printf guess. So while your number of attempts is lower than your max attempt, with max attempts, you just gotta get rid of that 56.
Oh, snap.
Yep, okay, and then attempts plus plus, yep, and attempts plus plus just adds 1 to the total running number of attempts. Your time, yep, random number generator, yep, all that looks cool. If your guess is equal to number, yep, correct, return 0, else if, yep, okay, yep, that looks good so far. And your guess is greater than number, try too low, yep, and then else, try to, yep, okay, yeah, this looks good so far. So so here's what we'll do. So you're using the NVim editor, so hit escape,
Okay, escape.
yep, hit escape, and then we're gonna go colon, type WQ, and then hit enter. Yep, so I got my boy Ricky, he's learning C programming right now. So now on here, yeah, you can do, let's see, which compiler are we using? Let's use CLang. Yeah, so you're gonna type CLang space, and then say your file, it's called number guess. So type then the same name of your file, numberguess.c, and then space, -o, space, and then just say number-guess. Yep, and then hit enter. Yep, so now you're seeing that you got some errors in your code. So if we take a look here, we go, warning, you're missing a terminating, yes. So we're gonna go back to edit your code. So if you type in vim, the letter N and then vim, space, and then number guess, name of your file, .c. Yes, .c. Enter. Okay, now you're back in your file. So now hit I, which puts you in the insert mode. And then you're gonna wanna go, so you're missing a terminating double quote. So on this line right here, notice you have the double quote right there, but not right there.
Oh.
So put that in there. Yep, and then escape.
Do I need to do it for enter your guess also?
Yes, you do. So you'll need to put it there as well. So yep, put it right there. Yep, there you go. And then if we do, save it. Okay, and then main, you're missing looks like you're missing a closing quote down here. No, looks like you have it. Okay, maybe now that we have those double quotes, it'll be good. So let's see. CLang. Two errors still, so clear. Nope, just a warning though. So this should run. Yep. So now do ./, and then the number guess, but without .c. Just number guess, and then hit enter. Nice. So now you've entered into your program that you just wrote. So it says, welcome to the number guessing game. Pick a number between 1 and 100, you have, it's a minus 16 attempts. So we have something probably wrong with your the number because it's negative there, but that's okay. Let's give it a try still. So guess a number and then hit enter.
Too high.
Alrighty.
Oh, and then it goes attempts left 6.
Mm-hmm. So then let's try lower.
Let's try 25.
Oh, too low.
Let's try 45. Okay, let's try 60. Alright, let's try 55. Let's try 52.
Oh,
Okay, so it's higher than 45, but lower than 52.
mm-hmm.
Let's try 47. What? 48? Oh my.
Close.
That was dope.
Isn't that cool?
That was.
And let's see if when you get it right, let's make sure that code works too. So try it again. Run it. Just hit up on the arrow key, and then up again, and then hit enter. Yep. And then give it a try again. So it'll be a different number this time.
Oh.
Yeah, too high, so you gotta go lower. Oh, too high, gotta go lower. Still too high, gotta go lower. Still too high, okay, gotta go lower. Okay, still too high. You gotta go even lower.
Try 3.
It was 1. That's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Dang. Let's try it again. Let me give it a shot. I want to see if I can get it. It's 50, too high. Okay, 25 is too high. 5 is too low. 15 is too low, but 25 is too high. Let's try 20. 20 is too high, so between 5 and 15. I mean, yeah, between 15 and 20. 17? 17 is too high. 16? Ha! There we go. Nice. Guess it is 7. Okay, yeah, so your code works, man.
That's dope.
That's sick. If we go back to NVIM. Yep.
So if I wanted to be like, oh, play again, how would I do that?
So if you wanted to be able to prompt the user to play, yes, perfect question. So to prompt them to play again, we would need to, let's see, this is the end, and at the end, what do? We go, if guess is equal to the number, print, else if, too low, try again, else, return 0. Okay, so then put a space here at the end. Yeah, hit enter. All right, let's do O, and then there we go. So what you could do, so all this code that you have right here, so we could just type all of this out again, but that would get tedious, having to like retype the exact same code all the time. So this is where a helpful thing called functions is going to come in. So in order to create a function, so pull up on ChatGPT, yeah, and ask it all that code inside of your main. Ask it the question that you just asked me. It's probably gonna give you a function so that you'll be able to rerun it.
So it says to add the play again feature, you wrap the whole game inside a loop and ask the player if they want to play another round.
Mm-hmm.
Type Y, the game restarts. If you type N, the game ends.
Yep.
Here's a modified version of that game play again built in. Alright, let's try this again.
Mm-hmm. So right after, what is that, SRAM?
Yeah, so right here. Integer main.
looks like charm. Again.
Yep. So you're adding a new variable now for if they want to be able to play again. Yep.
Where are the up and down lines?
What you said up and down lines again? Oh, those, yeah. The OR operator. So those up and down lines right there, so it's called that's the OR operator. So what it's saying is if this thing on the left side happens, this is true. Or if this thing on the right side happens, this is also true.
Okay.
Because when you're giving the program logic, you can say, if this thing and this thing happens, if this thing or this thing happens, if this thing didn't happen.
Hold on, where am I at?
Right there on line 11. So while play again, integer number, guess, and attempts is equal to 0. Yep, so you already did that on the line right below it.
Yeah.
So then int max attempts is equal to 7. Okay. srand, and then everything else. As long as attempts is greater than max attempts. Okay, yeah, so all this seems good. So here, you're gonna go, instead of this return 0, we're gonna correct, yeah, you guessed it, you're gonna say, put it on the new line first. So we'll go here, and then say break. Okay, yeah, right there.
Oh, break.
Yep. So because what return 0 does is it tells your program to finish, and it finishes. So now you're just telling it to break out of the loop.
Okay.
Yep. And then, yep, cool. And so guess. Game over. Number. If guess does not equal number. So number. Okay, you got, all right, so there's attempts left. And then you got the one that is after that. Okay, and then just boom, and then you say if guess did not equal number. There you go, so you need this code still.
Which one is the guess one?
Yeah, so where it says if guess, so right here, you can get right here.
Print attempts.
Yes, go to end, yep, and hit enter. There you go, so you still need that if code, it looks like.
Yes. If. Guess. Why did he do that?
It just looks different, but it's right.
Oh.
And just put a little space right here between the symbol and the number. There you go. Nice. Okay. So then hit escape.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, missing something.
No, came over. Okay, good.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
How you doing?
This is my homie Ricky.
My homie Ricky.
Hey, how you doing?
This guy is awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Hit me up if you're ever in Phoenix, bro. I'll be seeing that client on Monday too. I passed your info, so I'll send your info along with it.
Perfect,
I
man.
told him a little bit about what you did. He was like, "Wait, what? Really? That sounds awesome." I'm like,
Oh shit.
I'm like, yeah, and like character reference comes out great. I mean, how else do you like? Cool, like you're studying the Bible at 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
That's all I need.
Yeah.
Some people, like if you actually make a point to do it at that hour, I'm like, good enough for me.
I appreciate you, man.
That's cool, man. So I'll pass that on, but yeah, hit me up. I'll let you know too. Now I know that you're right here. Next time I'm by, if you're
Bro, literally, I call this, bro. This is literally my second home, bro. But I would love to come down to Phoenix too. I actually have a family down there.
Oh, do you? Where
Yeah, one of my aunt, she goes to a church that's out there. It's a Pentecostal church that's there. But her name is Shelly. I went to her. It's actually the Bible boot camp that I went to where I got baptized at. I was like when I was like 14. Yeah. So I go visit my auntie sometimes down there.
That's great. Where does she go?
I gotta think of the name of the church. I can't remember.
What part of town does she live in?
General Phoenix area somewhere.
Somewhere central.
Yeah, somewhere exactly.
That's cool. Yeah, there's a kiln right in the Biltmore area. So
Oh shoot.
yeah, you can totally come work for a week, no problem.
Oh hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, you go stay with your auntie, and then yeah, I mean it's 10, 15 minutes from downtown.
Bro. Oh yeah. See, I gotta pop up there, bro, just so we can do some stuff, man.
Oh yeah, just come on down anytime you want. Shoot me a text. You got my number.
Got you, bro.
But yeah, man, I'll see you around for sure at some point. I'm sure.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. You said your name was Daniel, right?
Tommy.
Tommy. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good one, man.
Mike or Michael?
Mike. It's less formal.
Okay.
Have a good one, Tommy.
All right, cool. We should try that now.
Cool. So then hit escape, and then do shift. Do the colon. It'll be sorry. So shift. Boom.
Shift and then colon.
Yeah. What did I do? Boom. There you go. WQ. All right. So then we're gonna do the things we did again. We're gonna go. Yep. The C line. So hit enter. Okay. So we got some errors. So let's see. That's a warning. The error is expected expression. So on line 40. Oh yes, you got this line right here. So,
Yeah.
okay. So that is an error. Go to line. Yep. So get rid of this extra line that you have right here. It's that. You see right after the parenthesis, that little up down line you have. Yeah, get rid of that. So let's go.
Oh, you didn't get rid of it.
There we go.
Okay.
Now let's try again. Again. Okay, we got one more. Note to match this. Oh, we got a double two parentheses. Okay. So this number right here, this tells you what line your error is on.
Yeah.
So watch, you can do something really cool. If you type invim space plus type 43 because that's the line that the error is on. Yep, space. And then the name of your file, which is numberguess.c. And then you just got an extra R right there. Hit enter. Boom. So it opened the file and it opened your cursor to the exact line where it's at. So then just hit I for insert mode. That's how you can change text. There you go. Now you can change it. Cool. Now when you're done, so you'll notice right here you're in insert mode.
Yeah.
So just hit escape again. Do shift colon. And then type WQ, which stands for save and quit. Yep, and then hit enter. Nice. Now you can do up on the arrow key again to that compiler. Yep, there you go. Okay, so that's an error. This was just a warning though, so you can run it. You're good with this. So let's type clear. Enter, and then just type // number guess. enter. There you are.
Let's try 50. Too low. Okay, let's try 75. Let's try 60. Let's try 65. Alright, let's try 67. Let's try 68. No, let's try 70.
Ooh. So.
Between 68 and 69. Let's do 69.
Ah, 68. That's crazy.
Okay, then play again.
Yep. And then let's see if it worked.
Hey.
Nice. So the only thing that is we can tell that is wrong is you'll notice this. You have
Yeah, it's just random.
huge. So there's probably just a little bit off with your attempt tracking logic. So that's what's called when you're doing coding. That's what's called a bug. So you got a bug in your code somewhere. So then we just go in, we look at it to fix. But the actual logic of the game works just fine, bro. This is nice.
Yeah, let's try to fix that then.
Let's do it. So then you to close this out, you can do Control C to cancel your program. Nice. And then hit up on the arrow key. Yep. Till we get to up. There we go. So hit enter. All right. So let's see how we're doing attempts. So in the beginning of our program, number of attempts is 7. We say you have. This seems like it would be fine. However, that percentage D. So does it have percentage D for that? Yeah, it does. Percentage D of attempts. And attempt starts out equaling 0. Now let's see where we're missing where we subtract attempts. Yeah. Yes, it does. So why?
You know what?
While attempts is lower than attempts. Attempts plus plus. Guess number. Yeah, attempts print out just fine.
It says here, good catch. There's a subtle bug that can happen with the max attempts logic depending on how the loop exits. The issue, if the user guesses correctly on the last attempt, the program will still print the game over message because this check happens after the loop. Well, it's not that.
Tell it there's a bug with how attempts is displaying. Tell it it was some massive number after I hit play again.
It says this happens because memory is getting reused incorrectly when the game restarts. Usually due to bad input being left in the buffer or a variable not resetting properly. When scanf fails, for example, if a non-number gets entered, the variable may keep garbage memory, which is why max attempts prints a huge random number. The safest fix is to reset all variables every round. Check that scanf actually reads an integer.
So, max attempts. Okay, we're setting number guess and max attempts equal to.
To your guess. Oh. So it says if print f, enter your guess, right? Then this.
Oh, this is clearing. Yeah, we need to add that because that's clearing the buffer. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's.
Let's do it.
Where was I at? Max attempts.
Yeah, right there.
Print f, enter your guess. Oh, I have to click I, right?
Yep, and you click I to put it into it. So now you can change stuff.
After print f, enter your guess. Then if Oh, I forgot. Yes. Exclamation point. I just get rid of this.
Yeah, if it doesn't have it in there, then yeah, you can get rid of it. And then make sure you don't forget the ending semicolon right here, though, after continue. Yeah, there you go, the curly.
And guess L's too high. Guess too low. Temps. One. That. Char, play again.
Mm-hmm.
SRAM time 0. While play again. Guess, is it guessing? Guess number of attempts. Max attempts 7. I think I'm gonna rewrite that.
Go for it.
Why did it delete?
Oh, sorry. Here, let me hit X. Okay, now let's do, yeah, try to highlight it all. And delete. Right here, we'll do. There we go.
Oh, okay. Cool. So play again. Y.
Oops, hold on, sorry, one second. Let me do, okay, there we go. So as long as it just says insert by itself, you're good to type.
Okay. Oops. 100 plus 1. semicolon.